Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to share Notion page with others. So if you also want to share Notion page with others, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Notion application, or also you can launch open any browser of your choice. If you have opened the browser, what you have to do is click on the search bar. Now type in www.notion.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Notion. Make sure you're logged into your account. In order to log into your account, all you have to do is click on the login option that you can see right over here. You can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. So in order to share the Notion page, first of all you need to create the Notion page. If you want to create the Notion page, all you have to do is click on the create option that you can see right over here. From here you'll be able to create a new page. You can enter the title. Now after you create the Notion page, if you want to share it, all you have to do is click on the share option that you can see right over here. Now you'll be able to see two options over here, share and publish. You can also publish if you want to. Simply click on the publish option and this page will be published. If you want to share it, simply click on the share option. Now here you'll have to enter the email of the person that you want to share to. Here you'll also be able to find the option for invite only. Click on it. Click on any option that you want. Now enter the email of the person. You can write as many email that you want. You can also add a message over here. Simply click right over here. Now add the message. Now here you'll be able to find the option for invite. All you have to do is click on it. Now it will be shared with that person. You can also copy the link if you want. Simply click on the option copy link. Now the link of this page has been created. Now you can share this link to others and the Notion page will be shared. So that is how you share Notion page with others. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.